Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. Okay, so we're still compressing. We're still consolidating. Yesterday was just kind of an inside day. It's just one of those things. It didn't really want to do much. It was a pain in the butt to trade. At least it was a pain in the butt for me to trade. In retrospect, it really just bounced around between our proprietary levels, which, it's interesting. It didn't even try to make the move back to the daily mid-band. And what that tells me, put that together with what's happened in Globex, is the bulls are still in control. It's just it's that slow bleed to the upside. As the bands continue to compress, I mean, the potential is there to really reach to the upside. The issue becomes, if they do reach, whether it's going to be a head fake or whatever, we'll have to see. But you have some tight bands there. You have very little interest in trading below the roundy. The morning dip yesterday was 28.08 half, and if that's all they got, then they don't have much. So what I'm looking for today, if we maintain price above 28.20, then it opens up the door to reach up into the 30s and 40s if it gets some momentum going. The other possibility is we just put in another really slow type of day as we head into next week. It could go either way. I would definitely go into this tape with an open mind. Anything above 28.08, bulls remain in control. The hourly mid-bands go to the hourly chart. Hourly mid-bands at 18. So you see this compression broke to the upside. Now we're compressing again. And it's even a longer compression this time. You're starting to see little peaks to the upside. So I'm much more inclined right now to be long than I am to be short. The bears really had their chance yesterday, and they blew it on the morning dip. Your daily mid-band has bumped its way up to 93. But look, until that 2800 gets converted, I have very few good things to say about the bears. It's just compressing for another move up, compressing for another move up. It's just one of those things. So volume weighted average price is at 28.20, 28.21. I think that's the area, you definitely want to be long above. If they can convert it in a meaningful way, call it 18 to 21, combination of the hourly mid-band up to VWAP, that's the chunk of price. You want to be long above. And if they can somehow convert it to resistance, then you want to be short below. And short below would be reaching back for the roundy, or at least reaching for 28.08, yesterday's lows. All right, everybody have a good one. Have a great weekend. We'll be out with, we'll be on Instagram Live in about 40 minutes at 9:20. I will catch everybody then. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.